Hi and welcome. I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining me here on my channel for another card making tutorial. Today is another mini release from Whimsy Stamps, and I thought I would share the FaDoodle Rainbows Stamp Set with you. I'm going to share how I created a spooktacular card using that stamp set. Also, stick around to the end of this video because I have several samples of this card I want to share with you and a sneak peek of some cards I'm sharing over on the Whimsy Stamps channel using this same stamp set. You're definitely going to want to hop over there and check them out. They were inspired by the boho rainbow trend, and it's another fabulous way to put this awesome stamp set to use. I'm going to give you a close-up of that FaDoodle Rainbow Stamp Set. I want to point out that each of the rainbows in this set are solid images. So you can see here, that's one stamp. Now, with the solid rainbow down here on the bottom, I just took my scissors and cut it apart because it makes it much easier when you want to stamp in different colors. You don't have to worry about doing a lot of masking. And there's plenty of room in between each of those bands to get your scissors in there and not have to worry about any mistakes. So we're going to go ahead and start stamping this large band with Distress Oxide in the color Wilted Violet. And then we're bringing in that Halloween Postage stamp set from Whimsy. This is the perfect stamp set to create these fun holiday rainbows. The images and the words in the Postage stamp sets from Whimsy, there's a Halloween and a Christmas one. They're small. So they're perfect for coming in like you see me doing here, stamping that word spooky in between the Wilted Violet band and the Twisted Citron band that I'm getting ready to stamp in just a few seconds. So I'm using VersaFine Onyx Black ink for this and just stamping that word right around the rainbow. So next we'll go ahead and stamp that Twisted Citron band. And you're going to notice when I stamp it, it falls lower than the first rainbow band that I stamped. That's not a problem. I'm going to come in with some die cut pieces and cover up the ends of the rainbow. But if you don't want to add any die cut pieces to this, you could easily go ahead and take you a piece of masking paper and mask straight across your card base or card panel with the masking, and it will give you a nice clean line straight across. So I'm going to come in now with Carved Pumpkin and stamp the last band. Now I went ahead and did that because I knew I was going to come in with a pen and add some fun little details. If you want to use more stamps from the Postage stamp set, just make sure that you stamp in order. So like I stamped my purple band first, and then I stamped the words, and then I stamped the green band. So if I wanted to stamp something between the green and the orange band, I would have done that right after stamping that green band. I hope that makes sense. So of course I came in with that little circle that has 31st October on it and stamped that in the very center. Here I'm just playing around with what I want to stamp next. And I decided that I would go ahead and stamp that adorable spider. He is the perfect size. Now notice how I started. I stamped a spider on the left, and then I stamped a spider at the top of the rainbow, and then on the right of the rainbow. And then I start coming back in and filling in between those stamped spiders. And it just ensures that I don't start on one side of the rainbow and get to the other side of the rainbow and run short on space. So that's just a fun tip there. Here you can see I die cut some black clouds from the Array of Rainbows die set and added those to this fun spooktacular rainbow. Rainbows are so popular right now in card making, and I thought this would be a fun take on them. So please continue on in the video. There I have some more samples I want to share with you. Let me know what you think of the FaDoodle Rainbow Stamp Set in the comments below. Don't forget to hop over to the Whimsy Stamps channel and check out the cards I have over there today featuring the stamp set. Now for more information on the products you've seen in this video, you can click the links directly below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. I appreciate you so much for spending time with me today, and until next time, please take care.